Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by stopping further access, lock the device remotely and report it. Open Find My or Find My device and put the phone in lost/locked mode so it requires your passcode. Once done, note the last known location and time, then call your carrier to suspend service and flag the IMEI. Make sure to file a police report with the IMEI and serial number. This both documents the theft and helps prevent unauthorized resale. You must decide whether to erase. Remote wipe protects your data but stops tracking, so use it if recovery seems unlikely. Next, from your Apple ID or Google account security page, remove the stolen device from trusted lists and revoke saved logins, sessions, and app passwords. Once done, change your main account passwords and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents the thief from reusing credentials. Make sure to update linked services like bank. You finish by getting a replacement and transferring service. Contact your carrier for a new SIM and port your number to a secured device. Then restore your data from the most recent cloud backup and reinstall apps, verifying each app's sign-in and security settings. Once things are restored, notify contacts if needed and monitor accounts for suspicious activity. If location tracking or remote commands failed earlier, check that device location history and Find My device were enabled.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.